Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick video about unboxing a very good accessory, which is the Pocketlite F7 RGB LED light. Now this is quite a sturdy light for everyday use, and I had a look at a few online reviews and all those type of things, and I bought this light to do some basic vlog work. It actually comes in a very nice sturdy packet, and this one is a packet which actually comes with the diffuser and the grid as well. So let's go ahead and open this to see what's actually inside. Now I got this from Amazon, but I'm sure you can get a good deal through your favorite retailer. So the main reason I bought this light was to create some good effects, and just having a versatile light which I can carry with me, and this is actually quite compact. So when I open the box, there you go. It's very well packed, and as you can see, this is the light. It actually has a protective film on it. So let's go ahead and actually have a look at what's actually inside the box. So that's your light. One good thing about this light is this is actually magnetic, so you can actually stick it on a surface, a metal surface, and the light actually works quite well. This actually uses a USB-C, so just make sure you have a USB-C connector. All the controls are actually on the side, and it actually does have a display as well. The display is to have a look at the different modes which you can use for this light, and also the different intensities of the colors as well. So yeah, fairly sturdy, feels like a very heavy mobile phone, and just the build quality is actually quite good. So that's the light. It does actually have a few accessories with it as well, and it's good to have these accessories handy, so you don't have to spend any more money in buying different things. It has a instruction book, so that's good to see from Pocketlite, and a warranty card, so that's excellent. There is a quick reference guide, so this is to actually use the different modes of the light, so you can have a police car mode, a candle mode, and so on. This is about 20 different modes which you can select through the selection menu. And look at this. This is quite a nice cover or a packet, so you can put your light in here and carry it safely. And it does have a couple other things with it as well. So as you saw on the packet, it said that it's got a diffuser, so that's the diffuser. This is to avoid the harsh light when you're using it on subjects. So this gives you this nice soft look essentially for your shots. And it actually has a grid as well, so if you want to get creative with some of your work, you can use this grid. And again, it's just good to have this accessory in the light as well, because you don't have to buy it separately. It gives you a few different creative shots for you to play with. Now in the actual pocket and the cover, there are actually a few things inside here. So let's go ahead and actually have a look at this. So inside here, you actually have your USB-C cable. So this is for your charging. There is no USB-C charger with it, so you'll have to use your own charger. And there are a few connectors. So this connector is actually quite useful for you to mount this light on a camera, for example. And this connector here is actually quite useful if you want to get some different angles. So again, you can use it in different ways. It's really good for them to actually include this connector with the light as well, because it gives you a few more creative angles which you can shoot using this light. So again, that's probably $10–15 worth of value just there. Good to have the camera mount, obviously the cable, and it's really good to have the case as well, because then you can carry this light safely and securely. In terms of the intensity of this light, this is actually a very bright light. So and I'll highly recommend it, because you can go from very low intensity to very bright subjects, and the light does quite a good job. I actually bought two of these so I can have different angles to shoot and things like that, and this actually works quite well. The battery life, I get about 3 to 4 hours on high intensity, so it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And then you can also have a battery pack which you can use externally as well. Again, for normal use, this battery is actually more than sufficient. And let's see whether it actually comes with a bit of charge in it. So I'm trying to turn it on, so it actually hasn't got any charge on it. So when it actually comes out of the box, you probably have to charge it for a few hours. So there you have it. So you get the light, you get the USB cable, you get a couple of mounts, you get the this is the grid pattern to actually go on the light. You get a nice case. Again, this is actually quite useful depending on how you want to carry the light. And the best part is you actually do get this this diffuser. So this is to avoid that really harsh shadows when you're actually taking the shots. So there you have it. So this is the Pocketlite F7, and as I said, this is actually quite a good purchase. I think it's under $200. I think more between $150 and $200 online, so you can get a good deal. And yeah, I'll highly recommend it because it's portable, it's easy to use, it has got all the features, it's very bright, and it's not it's actually not complicated. So you just turn it on and it just works. So there you have it. Thank you very much.